Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can enroll into the Texas Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.texasbank.com and hit enter. After the home page of the Texas Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see the online banking option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the online banking option, a menu will open up on your page. On this menu, click on the Enroll button. After you click on the Enroll button, you'll be guided to another page. On this page, click on the Let's Get Started option. Once you click on the Let's Get Started option, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in all these credentials and then click on the Continue button. Once you click on the Continue button, and if you have filled in all these credentials, you'll be guided to step 2, which will help you to enroll into the Texas Bank. I hope this video helped you to enroll into the Texas Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.